Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Yazio. We go to settings, here we click on settings as you see and you will enter. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.